change our heart and soul. She's a mother to us all, and she cares for the big and small. Now she cries in pain. Do you hear her call? People of our country, let us join our hands. Let us try to save the future of our land. Let us stop believing nature all alone. Let our lives be simple and sound. Let us save our planet Earth. It's the only one we own. Let us seize our plundering. Let us change our heart and soul. She's a mother to us all, and she cares for the big and small. Now she cries in pain. Do you hear her call? Let us work hard every day. Let us show people the way. Let us strive to hear His wounds cause every day. Let us rid of greed and pride. Let us not destroy the world. Let us work for peace and for the good of all. Let us save our planet. Let us save our people. Let us save our future generation. Let's protect our nature. Let's protect our mother. Let us seize all forms of exploitation. Let us save our planet Earth. It's the only one we own. Let us seize our plundering.
When they finish their job. That's because if they turn off the equipment, they have to come in earlier next day. Here is the method and detail, how ignition, methodology, registration of materials, via third party verification. A business plan and monitoring are required according to the methodology for calculating greenhouse gas reduction. According to the methodology of the carbon credit trading system, the monetary factors that need to be measured to calculate the reduction of power, operating time, and change to KY. It is an obligation of 건영. This is our company own technology and certificate, like this. Our company's major business is consist of energy saving system for air compressor, energy saving device, energy management system. For 15 years, since it was founded in 1959, has been an energy saving company, while having many parent control methods. This is the background for pursuing the
Let us change our heart and soul. She's a mother to us all, and she cares for the big and small. Now she cries in pain. Do you hear the call? Now she cries in pain.